channel. It's Toya here. If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for subscribing to me. If you're a new subscriber, enough love. Thanks so much for hitting that button. Yesterday I was on the internet and I saw this video tearing up the place, yo. It is this Rihanna with Bryson Tiller, Wild Thoughts. I love the song. I saw the video and I was friggin' in love. I'm like, yo Rihanna, stop it Rihanna, behave yourself Rihanna. So today I'm recreating this look for you guys. Affordable products as per usual, and I don't know how I'm do my thing already. What I ended up doing was kind of tying the two looks together. I loved what she was wearing in the first scene with the head tie and the large hoops and you know the vibes. So I recreated that and then I did the makeup portion for the second look. So you guys will get to see all of that. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want more celebrity inspired looks, thumbs up this video. Let's get this video to 150 thumbs up real quick and I will do another celebrity inspired look for you guys. Drop me a comment down below also and tell me what country you're from if you're watching this video. Let's represent for our countries down in the comment section. Follow me on my social media sites. I'm gonna have those linked in the description bar down below. Hit that subscribe button as well to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and just click the little bell beside the subscribe button. Yeah, that way you guys don't miss any video. The little bell thingy, yeah, just click it. And if you guys want to see how I recreated this BB look, then all you gotta do is just keep on watching. Okay, so right now I already have my face on. I am baking because I've highlighted my face already, have not contoured. I'm wearing my clip-in extensions because you guys know I have faux locks on under this, so don't judge me if you see my tracks showing, please. The info on these clip-ins will be in the description bar below. So I already done one eye. I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and my lips. I'm gonna prime first using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I wanted a white base because I really wanted these eyeshadow colors to really pop because hers were very vivid and I just wanted to kind of mimic that vivid look. So I'm just blending this up into my crease. First, I'm going to be applying a transition color. I'm going into my Nicka K23 color matte palette and I'm using this reddish brown, kind of medium brown color. And I'm blending that into my crease with a Coastal Scents brush. Just using different motions to get the color in there perfectly. And I'm kind of dragging it out towards the end of my eye. Then I'm going into this Santee palette using this matte green right here. I'm going to be packing that on all over my lid. Now from the video I could not tell if her eyes were aqua or like a teal or whatever. I just know I saw green sometimes and then sometimes I saw blue. So after I'm packing on this matte color, I'm going to go over that with a blue color and I'm using this blue shimmer from the Beauty Resource palette. A real cheapy palette, but the shadows are very good. I'm going to be packing on that shimmery blue over that green shadow and that's going to give me kind of like a teal finish, which is what I want. Next, I'm using this BH Cosmetics blending brush. It's kind of a concentrated brush. I'm taking up some of this matte brown from the Nicka K palette and I'm going to smoke out the outer V of my eye. I'm really dragging it like a far way out to the end of my eye because hers was very smoked out. However, I would have used a black instead of a dark brown, so if you guys do try this, a black may be more of a fitting color instead of a dark brown, but I was trying to play it safe, you know, because I wasn't sure where I was going with this look. So I'm just gonna smoke out my eyes. And then after that, I'm going to take this teal color from my Miss Doozy palette and I'm going to kind of do like a cut crease. I'm going to brighten up inside of my tear duct area and just drag that going upwards. And that's just going to create kind of like a cut crease, which is going to sharpen that eyeshadow look, which is, you know, what she had, something very sharp. I'm using this BH Cosmetics pencil brush to do this. I'm going back into the Miss Doozy palette and taking this white gold color, beautiful color guys. I'm going to put that into my tear ducts to brighten it up and I'm also dragging it over the cut crease line that I made and that's going to open up the eyes even more. Then I'm just cleaning up my crease with the blending brush. I didn't really add any more product. I just wanted to kind of blend out the edges. And then I'm lining my lower lash line with a dark brown pencil. I didn't go for black again, trying to play it safe. But you can go for black. Black would look just as good. And I'm also lining the upper lash line as well and doing like a weird winged out thing. Yeah, you guys can use the liquid liners, but I was just too lazy to look for mine, of course. So after lining that, I'm gonna do the regular routine, of course some mascara to volumize my lashes, and I'm also going to be putting on falsies. These falsies are stacked. I think they're like some Ardell lashes mixed with something else, I don't even know, but they're very thick and voluminous, so I'm putting those on to add to the dramatic effect of the look. And then after that, I'm just going to apply mascara to my lower lashes as well. I'm gonna dust away the excess powder from my face because we're done baking, we're done our eye look, so we can dust it away now. And I'm gonna set my face with my regular pressed powder. That's my shade, and this is just kind of going to help everything to blend out, and there'll be no harsh lines once you've blended in the powder with a nice fluffy brush. So that's what we're doing. And of course, we're gonna contour the face. Now, I can really tell, like, her face just looked really fresh in the video, even though it was dark. So I'm doing a light powder contour. I could have cream contoured for a more dramatic effect, but I won't be using a blush. So I'm kind of placing my contour in between my cheekbone and my jawline, if you guys get, you know. Now for highlighting, I'm using the Milani Eye and Face Strobe Light palette. I'm gonna use that to highlight my face. I'm using the gold color from that palette just to highlight my face, and this gives a really nice glowy highlight. I absolutely love it. I did go crazy. She was crazy glowy, crazy highlighted, so of course I'm mimicking that. But you guys can't really see all the highlight I applied on camera, thank God, because yeah, I did apply a lot of highlight. So now I'm moving on to my body glow and I'm using some baby oil just to make my body glow up. She had this nice sexy, sweaty, you know, glowy kind of look, and I'm trying to mimic that. So I'm using some baby oil to get my body glowy and my neck and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's how I look. And I'm also gonna go back in with the glowing palette and just apply some of the highlights on my body, like my collarbones and my shoulders especially. Finally, we're moving on to the lips, and I'm using this red liquid lipstick from Makeup Monsters Cosmetics. I have a review for their products. It's going to be linked on the screen right now. These are literally the best liquid lipsticks I've ever used in all my time of using liquid lipsticks, so I absolutely love them. They stay matte all friggin' day, and they're very vivid, very pigmented colors. So I'm just applying the matte red. This color is called Bite Me. All the details will be in the description bar below. So yeah guys, here is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun as usual making these videos for you. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and check out the post on this look, and also follow my Snap to see what look is coming next. Thanks guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.